Hey guys, good morning. It is another day. Welcome back to my channel. Aquí está mi gordo. I know y'all like my gordo better than me. Well, the man. Anyways, he's taking his bike to get an oil change with his best bud, Charlie. And there they are right now. Hold on. What'd you put on there, babe?
Yeah, my sticker.
Bandido sticker. Hey, it looks nice. Fuck yeah, that looks
Pro
good.
made it for me. It does look good, right? I just want one sticker. I'm gonna put chingos of them all over it. Oh yeah,
This is kind of like Babe's old bike. It's exactly the same. It's a road glide. His was a 2013. His best friend has one exactly like it, and he's doing some work to it. He's upgrading it, so it's parked there. Look at this. So this is our mechanic. He's the one who's going to be working on Babe's bike in the future.
Yeah, you should have got that one re-chromed or something.
I'm gonna send that one and the other one to get painted with that. I mean, 13 and the
Maybe some other little stuff.
That's it.
These pieces
The
are
rear
different.
fender.
The gas tank también, no?
But I have the gas tank in there. You know what I'm saying? I bought this, the front fender, the gas tank. I bought everything to fix up your bike. Well, digo, me quedé con partes left and right. That's just fucking. All the rest of the parts, the front light, the other clips outside.
Where's the
The
front?
cover. It's outside.
Fuck, how much you talking, Charlie?
All right, we're looking at about.
Hey, don't be a son of a bitch. You take care of me, you motherfucker.
Nah, for you.
Charlie's coming on up. He invested everything. He's going balls deep on this motorcycle business.
Mm-hmm.
He's a guy. That guy. He pulled the trigger on himself. He's investing on himself. It's something to admire from a person. You know, he's got balls. It's fucking badass.
Still trying to find them.
This is super dope. I like this.
Hey, he's got cameras, guys. Watch it. Babe just ordered a freaking $500.
I don't know when it's coming. They haven't even sent
Helmet.
emails.
Was that one was $380?
I don't know. I
No,
feel like
as soon as you wrecked and I saw your helmet,
It's still good. You can probably paint it, right?
I threw my helmet, dog. Fuck this piece of shit. I'm fucking good.
Oh, I wonder if I can paint it. You want to send it to get painted? Get you built well. Well, I like the whole front end on this thing. Pero en la noche, how do you do it?
You can see it real nice.
Okay. Fucking Isaac's always like, put your hands here. Get your dick beaters out of inside of my helmet. Alright, sorry.
ew.
Want to have a couple bars?
Oh, like accessories? Well, that's
Yeah.
where, honestly, that's what they say that we're gonna make the most money.
Yeah, guys, he's gonna have all kinds of tools, oils, but he just started out and it looks freaking awesome in here. He's got already his security room in there. He's got the work room over here where all the bikes are being worked out, and then this is gonna be full of supplies in the future.
Straighten out the wheels.
Yeah, guys, but so that's Charlie. He's the one, in case y'all don't know, who went to go get Babe along with his brother when he hit the deer and took him to the hospital. So that's the guy I called. So he's very good friends with Babe, and he had another job, and he decided that he just wanted to do the mechanic thing. So he invested, he bought like a shop And slowly but surely, he's getting, you know, a lot of bikes in, a lot of, what are those called? The little four-wheelers, ATVs or whatever, dirt bikes, cars, trucks. I mean, he works on basically everything. He's a mechanic, right? So yeah, that's where we take our cars, our bikes, our everything that we need to get worked on, because yeah, he's a pretty good mechanic. So yeah, guys, we picked up some tacos here from the corner store, the only store that we have where we live, legit. And we're gonna go pick up some oil for Babe's bike. It's already time for that oil change. The whole upgrading thing is gonna have to wait for a good paycheck. Y'all know what I'm saying? That shit ain't cheap. And then he just splurged. He just bought himself a freaking $530 helmet. Like, dang, like, está bueno que sí, pero that's like, whoa. I told him, damn, does the helmet come with Bluetooth, speaker, cameras, you know what I'm saying? Because I just bought an iPhone. He was giving me shit because it was $600. $599. And so, legit, his helmet cost the same. I'm like, dang, you could have bought an iPhone for that, you know? But whatever, just what it is, guys. As long as he's protected, it is what it is, you know? Okay, guys, so Charlie's about to change the oil on the bike. Babe couldn't find the proper oil, I guess, that the Indian store told him to get. So he ended up getting some of that. I think he was supposed to get some other kind of oil. I don't know.
Alright, you press the power button.
Babe's dad gonna ride the Indian.
Okay.
After a new oil change.
Fresh oil change on.
Oh, ya le cambiaron el aceite.
Wait till it turns on right there.
Cabrón. ¿Y se apaga alguna luz o qué?
Ahí está, lo oíste.
No.
One down. No, I'm just gonna get something. All right, buddy.
Mira, varón. Lo levanta solo y un chillo para arriba.
Double tap.
I like it open mucho. It's not too loud.
Not at all.
Transplant works there. So they have gloves, and they dip their gloves in this raw milk. Just normal raw milk in the milk with the gloves. Actually.
Hey guys, so Babe left to work. He left me a mess over here. Little piles of hair and some Wall Senior oil for his clippers. Uh-oh, and somebody forgot their hat. But yeah, Babe likes to cut everybody's hair around the neighborhood because he does a really good job at cutting hair. Now I'm here, I'm outside, I'm chilling. I took a good nap. We had a cookout. I didn't vlog it because I'm sure y'all don't want to see our cookouts. Okay, how boring, right? I think that's all, guys. I think that's all for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed seeing Charlie, our bike mechanic, Cobra's garage. And yeah, I'm super chill, guys. Like, I'm just very chill, enjoying. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and edit a video and post it, and we'll see you all on the next one.